Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam M500. In this video I'll show you how to use voice commands. In the beginning, let's go to 70mai app, select your dashcam, go to settings, and now go to voice control. Enable voice control, and here we've got the list of all available commands. For example, let's disable connection,
Wi-Fi hotspot is off.
and now you can simply say take photo, record video,
Audio recording is on.
record video,
Audio recording is on.
and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.